Hello and welcome back to Home Design Inspiration and Ideas, your ultimate source for all things beautiful in home decor and design. Create a cozy vintage rustic cottage look, DIY farmhouse decor ideas. Vintage rustic cottage decor has a way of making any space feel warm, inviting, and full of life. It's all about blending time-worn textures, soft colors, and a cozy lived-in feel that looks beautiful without feeling overly styled. With just a few thoughtful DIY touches, you can create that charming farmhouse atmosphere without spending a fortune. This style celebrates imperfection and authenticity. Think distressed wood, antique-inspired pieces, delicate florals, cozy knits, and reclaimed materials layered into relaxed, welcoming spaces. It's about creating an environment that feels like it's evolved over time. A little rustic, a little romantic, and completely personal. In today's video, we're sharing easy DIY ideas to help you build stunning vintage rustic cottage decor in your own home. From crafting distressed wall art and upcycling furniture to styling cozy vignettes with layered textures, you'll find simple, budget-friendly ways to add warmth and story to every room. Even small touches like mason jars, soft linens, and vintage frames can create a powerful cozy effect. So grab your coffee, take a deep breath, and get ready to transform your space with creativity and heart. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a cozy decor tip from Home Design Inspiration and Ideas. Thanks so much for being here today. I hope these DIY ideas inspire you to create a space that feels soulful, inviting, and truly yours. Whether you're updating a single nook or layering charm into your whole home, it's the personal touches that make the biggest difference. Until next time, keep decorating with comfort, creativity, and a love for timeless beauty.